Sometimes it may be a referral, or the end client may have their DMC, destination manager, and that manager may know of us through previous jobs that we have or referrals, and they may call and say, hey, I have this great idea for 2014, big event, 1,500 folks. We want to do a theme, and one of you guys can provide that for us. At that point, they tell us what they're looking for. One of our sales teams would do a proposal, both written and photographs, and they may email that to the client and say, this is what we have, this is what we talked about, this is some of the ideas that we have. We may add a few ideas that we think may work for the client, and then we begin to add or pick off what may or may not work. At that point, once everybody's in agreements, they give us an okay. If it's a build out, our team begin to build whatever that may be. Maybe it's a facade like a building, or a certain faux finish or backdrop or scenic furniture, you name it. At that point, we would have to order how many trucks we're going to be using that day, what size of the setup crew we're going to be using, the time to arrive, how much time it takes to get to the location, and then we would set a team up for that day, pre-scheduled. We go out for the site, call the clients beforehand, let them know that we're on our way. We get there, introduce ourselves, take a survey of the room, bring all our decor in. We get a floor plan, usually from the client, or a pre-emailed floor plan. We then, at that point, we begin to set up the decor based off a time schedule. And our guys are experienced with how long it takes to set something up, the whole team, so we know these many items may take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. So we would request access time in the hotels. So say if something takes 8 hours, instead of coming at 12, we may want to come in at 9, access to the hotel ballroom. Then at that point we set up, make sure it's to the client's liking. Then we want to make sure that we have a certain time to come back to take the show apart, whether it's that same night or the next day.